Hey guys, it's that time of year again, back to school. Woo! Or, aw, I'm not going personally. Well, I want to show you guys how I achieved this look and how you can also do your makeup and your hair super fast for school. So stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get started. Now, the wig I have today is from Asteria Hair, but this right here, the closure, I'm so excited for this because I need a closure where I'm just going to the groceries or picking up my kids from school. You know, this is when this wig is super handy. You don't need a hat, you can just throw it on, put an elastic band in your wig, and it will look, very nice. So this is what the wig looks like. As you guys can see, oh wow, this is actually a really big frontal. I believe this is deep wave. I'm gonna put the description right here for you guys. So it's beautiful, I love it, and I'm gonna bleach my knots. I pretty much always bleach my knots, so once I do that, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back from bleaching the frontal. It looks very believable. Look at that. Looks pretty good, right guys? Can barely see any knots. Let me put this bad boy on. Okay. My bald cap underneath, I think I wouldn't wear one. It's just kind of white and I can't be bothered to be doing all the makeup stuff, you know? The wig has clips at the side. So typically I would braid my hair this way. It'd be like this and then it would just go up, you know? Well, I guess it can go into the braid. It's a little tight though. So I am deciding to be a little bit extra and glue my closure down. So I'm just using this Ghost Bond glue, putting it all over my forehead. I'm spreading it with a knife, y'all. It's just that people have tons of plastic knives laying around their house. Why not use it, you know? So I'm just gonna blow dry my glue, make sure it's crystal clear before I put my lace into it. I'm gonna press that down. Normally I use a comb, like the tail of a comb, but I didn't have one there, so I got creative, just use my tweezers. You just don't really want to use your fingers because it's going to stick to your fingers. And now I'm just cutting the excess lace, and that is it. I have secured my wig to my head, and I love it. It's such a relief to not have to do your whole entire face. Just this section, like that is all I need. I'm obviously not gonna be putting my hair in a ponytail. Yes, love it. I'm just going to add some water to the top because I kind of combed it out when I was doing the bleach on the lace. So I'm just gonna tame this part right back down a little bit with some water. This is just some water. Some regular H2O. 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 Okay, the hard part is over. I'm now going to do my makeup for school. Oh my god. So I'm going to do my makeup as fast as I can. Why? Because when you are in school, I mean, yeah, the first day maybe it'll be a little extra, but you know what? You can't be doing that every single day, the whole entire face beat. You just want to be super, super fast. And so for me, the most important things to do are your eyebrows, obviously your foundation. So you just use your finger to fix things because you have no time. You're already late for the bus. Do your eyebrows. I just feel like you don't want to be too cute on the first day. You want to like surprise them, you know what I mean? If you come your ultimate cutest, then there's no levels after that, you know? Like it's done. That's as cute as you're gonna get. So come basic. And then one day when you gotta pull out that wild card, come to school looking banging. So done my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using primer. Not never, but I started using primer and I'm thinking it's a good idea. Maybe you'll be at school all day. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm gonna be using, what is this? This is NARS. So I got a sample because I got dark in the summertime, and so I'm just gonna use this for now. But normally I use like, you know, my real NARS thing, but I don't know yet. We're just trying it out. doing that really fast. I'm honestly just putting on a thin layer. Like, I'm late. I'm late for school. I have to go. I don't even have time for this. I'm just putting on a thin layer. You know what I mean? Remember, you don't want to be too popping. Like, this is just taking it easy. Like, we just roll out of bed. That's the effect we're going for. How does this makeup color look, guys? It's still a little light. I mean, maybe it's just the camera, or maybe it's just the lighting. Like, I'm not really even sure. You know, just a thin layer, you know? Honestly. Just a thin layer. Just to make you look like you woke up like this, you know? Comment down below. Do you guys use BB creams? I haven't really seen anything about BB creams anywhere online or on Instagram, but is that still a thing? Like, are people still like using BB creams out in the world? Like, are they still effective or whatever? But a BB cream will probably be a good idea to get this effect. A little bit of mascara. We do not have time to glue on eyelashes. This is the Smashbox. I can't read it right now. Incandescent. I don't really know what it says. But this is their mascara. I'm just putting this on real fast. Something happened to my camera. Okay. What was I saying? Yes, we're putting on mascara. I'm basically done. I mean, I don't know. I think I left this open actually, but it's fine enough. It's getting the job done. So comment down below who's actually going to school or who is sending a child to school. Praise be. I'm gonna put on the littlest amount of concealer. This is a Fenty Beauty concealer. It's not that bright. It's very, very close to my skin, so it's not gonna be too poppin'. It's just gonna be subtly poppin'. Like just a subtle, wow. Or is it? No, it's a subtle pop, guys. It's just the lighting. Don't be worried. It's just a subtle pop. Like, I just want to put on a little bit. Like, this is a very fast beat, you know? That's pretty much it. Like, I'm done. Is this too poppin'? Did I just make it too poppin'? Should I have done that last step? Oh my god. Now I'm forced to set it. I mean, I wasn't planning on that either. Well, actually, I think it's fine. Yeah, it's fine, right? Not too crazy. It's still only been like 5 minutes, which is still pretty good. A little bit of bronzer, make me black again. A little bronzer here. I use bronzer as contour. I just don't have to think. It's really easy. I just like do this, you know? Like, you can't really kind of get it wrong when you do it like this. Just like that. And you're back bronze again. Right? Like, honestly, not that big of a deal. I love it. And I'm going to use some... I don't have a lip liner. I've been using this brown color for a long time. I should probably just buy a pencil, but I'm going to use this for now. Just, you know. You don't want to make anything too planned, you know? Just do it super casual. Like, I'm pretty much done. Maybe a little bit of blush if you have, like, you know, extra time. Where's my blush? Oh my god. I feel like a real disorganized student right now. Cute, cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. I'm done. I'm actually done with my makeup. Like, this is my back to school makeup look. Super easy, super casual, and everyone is still gonna think you're so adorable, if that matters. I guess you can finish it off with some setting spray. Heck, we're already here, right? Alright, you guys, that is it. Like, that is my back to school essential hair and makeup look that everybody needs to, you know, keep in their little I don't even know, toolbox. Like just have it already in your arsenal. This is what everyone needs to know. You know, like this just looks so natural. Like you can still see my imperfections in my face, so it doesn't look like, you know, I'm trying too hard. It's just school. I kind of feel like people love the super face beat and all that stuff, but remember, you're just a student. And sometimes you're not going to have time to beat your face because you have to write your paper the morning it's due. Well, hopefully you guys don't do that. So, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up. I did my makeup in 7 minutes, okay? I knew where all my stuff was, and that was a huge help, being organized. And yeah, that was 7 minutes. I didn't fast forward or cut out any clips. That's how long it took me to do my makeup. Yeah, so you guys can do it too. Comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out Asteria Hair. I'll leave the link to their hair, this wig, and to their store in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. All right, you guys, off to school, even though I'm already late and I'm so tired. I don't feel like going and I don't know where my books are.